What's going on, folks? You ever had a problem with your vehicle whereas you turn your windshield wiper fluid handle to basically put windshield wiper fluid on your windshield? For some reason nothing comes out. As well as sometimes when you are turning it, you look under your vehicle and you see to where fluid is going on the ground. The issue may be, if you see this hose right here, this hose pretty much runs all the way up and goes up here and goes to your basically windshield wipers right here. This is pretty much what takes the fluid from your reserve, which is right here, and takes it all the way up there. The problem could be sometime if you look close right here, normally there's a hose right here. As you can see this hose, and this hose right here, see how I got it loose? Basically this hose right here is supposed to be plugged into this opening right here. But sometimes what can happen due to sometimes like vibration or something like that from you driving, this hose right here can come loose. And if this hose right here comes loose, now you won't get any fluid going up to your windshield wipers, which means that nothing's going to come out. So if you have that issue, what you may want to do is follow back this line right here and make sure that it's connected right here. This happens to be a Chevy truck, so it's probably going to be in the same position on your Chevy Avalanches, your Chevy Tahoes, possibly your Chevys Suburbans also, especially say between 2000 to about 2005, I would say, and possibly even newer models. But check right here, if this is loose, normally all you have to do is plug it back into this rubber hose. On this one, it's kind of right above this battery right here. So I'm just plugging this back in to that opening like that, and now it's going to be connection again from my windshield wiper reserve where I pour my fluid at right here, and for it to get to the actual hose that's going to spray it out through my windshield wipers. Alright folks, once again, this is what could be wrong with your vehicle if for some reason when you try to spray windshield wiper fluid on your windshield, it doesn't come out. Check right here to make sure this is connected correctly, or it could be split right here, and in that the case, you can sometimes cut a piece of this rubber hose off. I say it was split right here. If I have enough space, I can cut a little piece off and then still plug it back into this rubber hose right here that it goes in to send the windshield wiper fluid from your reserve all the way up to your windshield. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful video. Please like, hit the bell, and subscribe. Thanks.